Guys, we just arrived at Teamlab and you gotta get your tickets. We're super excited to be able to get inside and see what it's all about. Apparently I can't get my selfie stick and I gotta take my shoes off. It's an interactive type art exhibit, so we're really supposed to immerse ourselves in the art and walk around in our socks. So this will be very interesting. We have to go ahead, find these lockers, and put our shoes in here, and our selfie sticks and whatever. Ooh. So, this should be interesting. This ain't easy. Interactive pieces of art. I would definitely advise you to take the time to come out here when you're in Tokyo. This is such a beautiful piece of art, and wow, no words. This is so amazing. Definitely worth like the money. It's like a magical experience. We're right now currently walking through water. Different types of lights coming on, like, yo, this is amazing. It's a whole vibe. The water is warm. I don't know what's in it, but I'm not even worried because this is magical. That was super amazing. We just got done walking in the water, the colorful water. Just a whole lot. It's a little dark in here, so it's sorry, it's hard to see. But we're all wiping our feet off after we got done walking in the water, the colorful rainbow water. Ooh. I don't know what they have next. I don't know how they're going to top it. But so far, these have been some really interesting meetings. Alright, back to the darkness. Are we supposed to go? Are we going under? Oh, I don't know. There's a spot. Try not to touch the flowers. So are the flowers gonna come down? You guys, I'm at my last hotel I'll be staying at here in Tokyo, and when we first stayed here, I couldn't stay because there were no rooms available, so my cousin so graciously let me stay with her and her twin. I booked my room with Chase, and I used my points thinking, wow, I was gonna have a great experience. Okay, let me try to explain to you this hotel. When we booked this hotel, I used my Chase points, so that's how we factored out which hotels we would use. And our basis for picking this hotel is because we want to be close to the airport. Well, tonight, which is the second day we've been here, we realized we could walk to the airport. We're so very, very close. Back to this room. This room is so small, it reminds me of a dorm room. Chase said this was a 3.5-star room, I think not. The room we had in Kyoto was way nicer, and it was supposed to be 3.5 stars. Now, yes, I'm on a budget, and that's why I use my points. But like, this is giving 2 star, 1 star. I don't know what the qualifications is for this to be considered a 3.5 star, especially being close to the freaking airport. On top of that, somehow I booked a room where I have to pay for my bed to be made. It's confusing to me. I don't understand. Like, hello? But like, what is going on? This makes no sense to me. On top of that, I'm so sorry guys. It's like 2 a.m. and I'm yawning. That's probably not. That's not a good sign. On top of that, the room is small. I think this room like cost me $282. And I'm just like, for what reason? Like, why, Sway? Like, what is the reason? I'm not getting it. Things that we got in Kyoto that we didn't get here. When we got to Kyoto, they literally took our bags out, they put it on a little cart, and they even took our car up to our room and made sure we were nice and comfortable. I thought that hotel was like a very low quality hotel at the time just because it looked dated. My cousin let me know that it was a historical hotel, so that's why it was giving the aesthetic it was giving. Fine. That's fine. The only nice thing about this hotel, but this is something that they do in all hotels in Japan, is they give you shoes and they give you a night set to wear. The other thing that's like strange about hotels in Japan, they don't put your amenities in the room. You have like a little drawer that you have to go into and select what you want, like face wash, to wash yourself, a washcloth, stuff like that. Oh man, today's been a long day because our hotel is so far away from like the places that are enjoyable. If I could recommend anybody to stay anywhere, it would be Shibuya. It takes us an hour, almost 2 hours, to get away from where we are to the city. But gotta be back here before the train station stops running. So that means we're always leaving at 11. So we lose about like 4 hours a day, which is very not enjoyable. So yeah. Chase sucks for giving this a 3.5 star. They should have had someone come and review it. My cousin said, yeah, I was in the room with her. The blaze boards were disgusting. The paper was peeling from the the wall. It was just like not nice. I would not recommend this hotel for anyone to come and stay unless it was like a quick layover or you had some business to take care of in a couple of hours. Definitely would not recommend it. It is definitely not 3.5 stars. Don't spend your money, save your coin, or use your money somewhere else where it's closer to things that are going on, because nothing is going on over here at all. Period. And that is pretty much my review of this hotel. Bye.